Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Eastiva Clinic, Saket. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about hymenoplasty, a procedure which many women seek but nobody talks about. So today, I'm going to tell you about who is a candidate for hymenoplasty, a little bit about the details of the surgery, what are its potential side effects, and also what you should look out for when you're searching for a surgeon performing a hymenoplasty on you. So hymenoplasty is generally considered a surgery which helps the woman to restore her virginity, and many young girls come to us requesting this procedure just prior to their marriage. So what does it essentially involve? Hymenoplasty involves repairing the torn hymen using the remaining hymenal tissue and recreating the hymen so that the woman feels more confident of herself before her marriage. Now, this is usually a very short duration procedure and can be performed under local anesthesia. So, I would say that almost in 95% of our patients, this is performed under some kind of local anesthesia. The procedure takes about 35 to 40 minutes and does not involve much pain or any kind of bleeding. This is a very comfortable procedure. The patient is essentially pain-free during the surgery, and after the surgery also she can resume her normal activities starting from the next day. So let's talk about what to look for if you're thinking about this procedure. Now the first thing is you should search for a person who's qualified to do the procedure properly. So you can either go to a gynecologist who's trained in these procedures or go to a plastic surgeon who has performed such surgeries. The signs to look out for if you're thinking these procedures might not be suitable for you are the presence of any active genital infections, or if your periods are approaching, or if you have any health concerns in general which are not making you an ideal candidate for surgery at that particular time. For instance, if you're running a high fever or if you have certain other associated diseases, then it is best to postpone the surgery for some time. Overall, this is not something which is a very stressful surgery and can be accomplished in a very short duration of time. So how do you care for yourself once the surgery is over? The surgeon will tell you to avoid certain activities because the hymenal tissue is a very, very delicate tissue. So even if the repair has been done, it is very important that in the post-op period, the patient takes all possible precautions so that the hymen does not get torn again, which basically means avoiding any high impact exercises, avoiding jerky movements, lifting weights, or certain activities which are known to tear the hymen, say for instance horse riding. So all these activities are to be avoided, and for a period of about 6 weeks the patient needs to be really careful so that the healing occurs properly. Few important things which we tell the patient when they're contemplating this procedure is that we should plan the procedure at least 15 days prior to the next period for ease of maintaining hygiene and also to ensure adequate healing before the next period. Also, the use of tampons is obviously prohibited after this surgery. Now, let me talk about 2-3 important considerations when we are thinking about hymenoplasty. First of all is the most important question which can be there in the minds of our patients, that is it legal? In India, hymenoplasty is considered completely legal and there are no laws against it. It is also imperative that the patient should have an informed consent. So that is the first guiding point, that this is a procedure which should not be forced on the patient. As long as the patient is an adult, 18 years of age or above, and is consenting to the procedure of her own free will, this is completely legal. So please don't be worried about the legal aspect of hymenoplasty. Second, as I said, it is very important that the procedure is done by a trained doctor, whether a gynecologist or a plastic surgeon. The potential complications which this procedure entails are infection, painful intercourse later on if not done properly due to scarring and due to inadequate healing. Also, in some cases, it can lead to bleeding and hemorrhage in the post-op period. However, these complications are very rare and seldom occur in trained hands. To summarize, hymenoplasty is a completely safe procedure when done in trained hands and also is a completely legal procedure. So if you have any further concerns regarding this particular procedure or you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.